Worship is a weapon, you guys. And we see it time and time again on these nights. How when people, even when they're not feeling it, they lift up their hands and they lift up their voice. And we've seen chains broken and lives healed and breakthrough happen. And I just can't think of the same battle that each one of us faces that we can never win on our own. The battle against sin and death. That Jesus came and he pointed to your shame and the weight of sin. He said, today you don't have to fight in this battle. And he took your cross upon his shoulders and he nailed your sin to the tree and he paid for it with his blood and he knelt in your grave and he laid there. But guess what? The tomb that our King laid in is empty today. Not even death could hold him down. We stand on the side of the miracle maker. So whatever you're bringing in here today, let worship be our weapon. Let our stance in his victory be where we're standing today as we sing it. So